Good evening. Thanks for choosing Twin States News. I'm Nick Smith. Alabama Governor Kay Ivey mandating face masks as the state exceeds 1,100 coronavirus deaths. 40 COVID-19 deaths were reported just this Tuesday, the most coronavirus deaths reported in the state in a single day since the pandemic began. Celeste Smith has details.
The statewide mask mandate went into effect today at 5 p.m., requiring each person over the age of 6 to wear a mask or facial covering when entering public spaces. The mask or facial covering must cover the mouth and nose at all times when a person is within 6 feet of a person from a different household, when in an indoor space open to the general public, a vehicle operated by a transportation service, or an outdoor public space where 10 or more people are gathered. Those found violating the new order will face the penalty of a $500 fine or jail time. There are exceptions to the mask mandate. Some of the exceptions are anyone younger than the age of 6, anyone with a medical condition or disability that prevents him or her from wearing a facial covering, and anyone consuming food or drink or seated at a restaurant to eat or drink. Many residents shared that they were glad the new order was issued.
I'm happy I never thought this. I thought I didn't think it would be as serious as it is now, but this is not plaything we're dealing with. We're dealing in life and death,
We wouldn't have as many virus patients in the hospital, And I think it's a good idea, They should have been wearing the mask for a long time.
Sharing that they believe it's necessary in order to end the pandemic.
I think it's effective because masks are saving lives, it's slowing the spread of coronavirus. But I know there are some cons to wearing masks, like, the glass is fogging up, you can't breathe, and a lot of people just don't want to do that, But I think it's a certain, things that need to happen, just like the ordinance. So I think it's pretty much effective.
One man shared that he understands why a penalty was set for those in violation of the new mandate.
If you didn't have some type of, way to enforce it, people just wouldn't do it, And I would probably be one of those that just wouldn't do it by forgetting or, I wear one all the time anyway in my job. I have to wear one. And it's not that big a deal for me, but does it help? It sure can't hurt.
The mask ordinance will remain in effect until Friday, July 31st, when Governor Ivey's amended Safer at Home order is expected to expire. I'm Celeste Smith in Butler, Alabama.